Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you another move. It is called a straight jacket, and it is going to involve some practice with crossers. So, how I get into my crossers, going same direction, counterclockwise. Okay, so now the way that I've been doing this is flowering myself into the cross into split time, right? So crossed into split time, and then just practicing one POI at a time, right? So this, you're gonna get that slight turn, right? And get comfortable with your hand being there. So get a nice wall plane going, front and behind. Okay, and then of course you're going to practice with the other one. Make sure you're going counterclockwise. And same deal. So make sure your planes are good. And make sure that you're not moving your wrists. The rotation of your body is going to take this move away. So I'm in my crosser. This is something you're going to need to practice split time, right? It's the other one too, right? Behind, 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 okay? And if you can't do it with 2 POI, just do it with 1, you know? Behind, 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 right? It's going to involve your body to do a full rotation. So when you get into here, you see how I'm literally circling my body in a circle? So I'm going like this or like this, right? So again, we get into that crosser, and as I said before, you shouldn't need to move your wrists or anything because the rotation of your body is going to do the work at this point. So, like I said, we're going to be going counterclockwise, and I really want you to get this without moving your wrists. Okay? And then same thing here, without moving your wrists. Right? And so then we can practice the motion, which is like this. So you feel like a wacky, wavy arm inflatable tube guy, right? So this is our motion. So now we get into it there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I do how-to videos every day. Both the POI spinning in the same direction. I go counterclockwise. And you get them in a split time rotation. And the other side, but it won't be in your way. Okay? And then do this with at your shoulders. And just try and get you. Right? Once you have that, you can do it with the other one. Right? And like, remember what I told you how if you're doing it correctly, you shouldn't have to move your wrists at all. It's the turning of your body that's doing it. So that's why it's important to keep a steady rhythm. So once you get them together, flower. Once you hit the cross, then stop moving your wrists and let the turning of your body control the POI. You have to use your wrists and hands to do this, because everything happens by your turning, and that is how you do straight jackets. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I do videos every day. I love you guys. Stay beautiful, and keep